I think you know exactly where we are. I don't even need to introduce it. We're here at Bethnal Green station, probably my most favourite station in the entirety of London. And arriving in now, we have another 710 bound for Cheshunt. This one is 710 105. And 710 103. Lovely, so at Bethnal Green will be single services operated by TfL Rail, London Overground and Greater Anglia. We're going to get a solid hour of action here. So yeah, let's see what turns up next. This set with 710 103 at the back is already off, bound for Cheshunt. Next up that will be Cambridge Heath.
What time that is it?
Oh, I don't know, I think it's the 1518, so I'm not sure.
1518.
Passing through we have 3 more trains, first being a C2C, class 357, 357 314.
Oh, for God's
Going to Shoebury Nest, running by Tilbury today, and 357009. And also we have a Greater Anglia class 321. This service is bound for Colchester. And also the last ever 315 set, 315 802. And 321 444, or 444 even. And 321 426 is the rear of the Colchester service. Yes, as I mentioned, this is the last ever London Overground class 315 set, which is 315 802 and 807. All the other services on the Lee Valley line and the entire network have been replaced with class 710s. A little interesting fact for you. The service.
That was the best filming shot I've ever got.
Yeah, so that might just be as well. So the service will be going to scrap, I think, next week. So we've got really lucky to see this one. Hold on a moment. What's that now? It's the 315 807 and the 710. They're arriving in now. This service, from Enfield Town to London Liverpool Street, operated by 710 116. And another set which we'll get when it departs. And for now we have a TfL Rail class 345 going from Chingford to Liverpool Street, 345022. Nice little whistle. As well as we have another class 345 which is passing in front of it. This one is also down to Chingford as 710 116 departs. Down for London Liverpool Street from Enfield Town. This is just manic. And 710 130 is at the rear of the Enfield Town to Liverpool Street service. This is 345008. Oh, hang on, there's a temporary speed restriction on the track there. I'm not sure if you can see that. Passing here is 321311 along with 321422 on a service going from Southend Victoria to London Liverpool Street.
311 and 321 422 on a service from Southend Victoria to now passing.
We have a pair of Greater Anglia class 317s coming from Stansted Airport to London Liverpool Street. This is 317 649 again. As well as 317 511. I can't believe that's going from Stansted Airport to Liverpool.
They're probably coming for the Studleys.
Oh, it's going from Hertford East to London Liverpool Street, not Stansted Airport. That's my mistake.
Stansted Airport.
Passing through now, the Greater Anglia class 745 going from Stansted Airport to London Liverpool Street to 745 107.
745 107 and
also we have 357 205 going from John Silver. And 321 comes this service, which is from Colchester. At the rear of the Colchester service is 321 309. And at the rear of the C2C set is a number that I don't know. And 745107, is that a trip through with that?
357 on the rail.
745107, going from Stansted Airport to London Liverpool Street. Another great thumbnail moment there. Passing through now with the Stansted Express Class 379, 379011, located Ely Cathedral. Another one 379023, this one is going to Cambridge Door.
You changed the 0 there.
I just realised I haven't done the intro yet.
Yeah, it's been.
Arriving now to 1532, London Overground service going from Chingford to London Liverpool Street. This is 710-109. This is probably the most joints I've ever recorded at once. First of all, we have a TfL Rail 345016 to Liverpool Street from Shenfield. As also passing, we have another TfL Rail 345, which is 355039, and 710-109 depart. Here is 745004 going to Norwich. 710-126 is on the rear of the Chingford to London Liverpool Street service. And on this one is 710-002 and 710-124 going from London Liverpool Street to Enfield Town. Oh, Jesus Christ, that was a lot of trains.
Wow, that was actually amazing.
I was constantly reading out train numbers for the entire duration of that 51-second clip. Right, crossing out now with this step for Enfield Town. Now going to the town on the back. Next up will be Cambridge Heath. Right, arriving in now is the 1548 London Overground service going from London Liverpool Street to it's going to Chingford. This is 710-130. And on the rear is 710-116. I was also calling in with another London Overground Class 710, which is going from Cheshunt to London Liverpool Street. Another great tone. 710-111. And yeah, 710-125 will be in the rear of this one. Passing through now, we have a C2C service from Shoebury to London Liverpool Street at 710 116 depart. This is 357012. 710-111 on this one and 125 on the rear. Also on this one is 357318. And on the rear of the London Overground is 710-125. And also we have another C2C service which is also going from London Liverpool Street to Shoebury. And a Greater Anglia Class 321 going to Southend Victoria. On the 357 is 357313 again. And 321, 334 on the Southend Victoria. With a 321442 Crafts Valley. Fortunately, we didn't get the rear of the C2C.
The front being at Great Northern.
Passing through now, we have a pair of Greater Anglia Class 317s or 317s, depending on what you want to call them, going from Cambridge North to London Liverpool Street.
Taking this one is
At the front it is 317 337.
317 337.
At least you tried, mate. 317 337 and 6 down, 317 666.
It's the devil.
And also passing, we have a Greater Anglia service to Colchester Town, which is 331 351. Which is nameplate is Romford Southend Airport. And at the rear we have 321355. Next up that one will be Romford. Right, we've got a train personnel. We have a 345 going from Chingford to London Liverpool Street first of all. It's 345038. And we also have another TfL Rail Class 345, as well as we have a Greater Anglia Class 745 going to Stansted Airport from London Liverpool Street. 745106, 345022, and 745106. Lovely.
And where cab goes? Is that here driving the back of the train?
Is that?
Yeah.
Going through now? Wow! 36115. As well as 36113.
113!
They're going from Colchester Town to London Liverpool Street.
Yeah, both of them got the 110-mile-an-hour modification.
Another funny tone, 37511. And then we're at 317649 again. Also passing through we have a C2C Class 357 35703 down to Suburban. And we also have 35705 on this one.
Who's that?
Right, we're having now we have a Class 710 going from Chingford to London Liverpool Street. The 710 112. Lovely we'll catch it. Oh, hang on. We've got 321346. And 321310 going from Southend Victoria to London Liverpool Street. As arriving behind this 710 we have another 710, which I believe is bound for Cheshunt. You see this one depart when it does depart. Oh, another 357. This is 357. Right, 771 at the rear of this one. At the front of that one is 357041. And at the rear is 357044. This is 77136 and 109. Going up to Cheshunt. The 710 is off now for Cheshunt.
Oh my god, stop saying things at the same time as me!
Passing through now with a C2C Class 357 going from London Liverpool Street to Suburban. This one runs via Tilbury and Rainham. It's 357318 at the front. As well as 357012. That was the front of this one. Also we have a Sadler at 74501.
Oh, you got a
don't think I've actually
Watch out!
been, I think I've actually seen 75001 before. Right, anyway, about 2 trains arriving in now. We have a Greater Anglia class 321, which is bound for Braintree.
Oh, 321, 321!
Which is 321, 321. Lovely stuff. And also arriving in, we have a London Liverpool service bound for Chingford. This one is 77125 again. And 321, 361 is on the rear of the Braintree service. And 77129 bound for Liverpool Street from Enfield Toll. And 771 on the rear.
It's funny that we saw 321, 321 again.
What's that now? 77129 along with the number 710 going from Enfield Town to London Liverpool Street. 77107 on the rear. Set is off. It's 77125 and 111 on for Chingford. Passing through right now, I've got another pair of 345s. Oh, that was close to getting hit by Bud. 345012 going to Chingford to Liverpool Street. The last step of West 17. And we also have 345016 bound for Chingford. It's lovely there. Passing through now, we have a Greater Anglia class 317 going from Hertford East to London Liverpool Street.
Passing through now, is a Greater Anglia service from Hertford.
It's 317-505.
This is 317-505.
And 317-881 for Master Peter. Passing through now with a C2C class 357 going from Suburban to London Liverpool Street, which is 357-833, and 321-337 going from Braintree, along with a 321-9. Just 321-902, my first sighting of a 321-9. That's another thumbnail moment. I'm not sure which thumbnail to go with now.
Right. Since I can't, I didn't manage to get it.
Passing through now, we have a Greater Anglia class 321 bound for South Victoria. 321 422. Nice little turn now.
321 422. 321
311. That one is going out to South Victoria. 379017. And 37988. Passing through now with a Greater Anglia class 317 going to Cambridge. With a great turn. 317 666 again. With 317 337. It's going to Cambridge. Arriving now is a 1602 from Chingford, I think. Yeah, from Chingford. The 1602 London Overground service. Oh wow, I'm zoomed in quite a lot. To 710-115 again.
10-115.
Here we have 345017 going from Chingford to London Liverpool Street. We've got another train first again. 710-115 departs bound for London Liverpool Street from Chingford. Also on this one, we have 345038 Sheffield. 710-127 is at the rear of this set. And we have 75101 going from London Liverpool Street, 745-103 going from London Liverpool Street to Norwich. Also we have 710-101 going from London Liverpool Street to Romford Town arriving in. The rear is 710-112. There's a pair of 710 southbound for Romford Town.
101 and 710-112.
To 710-101 and 112.
I've got another pair of Greater Anglia class 310 back to car.
This one is 321 only. I believe.
321-320.
That's number repainted, bound for
Oh, watch out, September now, can you?
Right, arriving in now, we have a London Overground Class 710 going from London Liverpool Street to Chingford. This is 710-107. Also arriving in, we have another 710, this one is coming in from Cheshunt.
321.
And 710-129. What the hell is wrong with its destination display? That's 321-349. And 710-260 is the one to this service to Liverpool Street. Also on the rear of this one is 321-435. Just going to clarify where that's from now. That's from Southend Victoria.
The front unit.
And the rear of this one is 710-129. We'll see the 710s when they depart, both at 16:06. Right. Here we have C2C class 357, 357, 306 and 206 even. Martin Onge, really nice turn that, 710-260 and 710-271 the box. Going from Cheshunt to London Liverpool Street, 357-004 is at the rear of that one. That's going from Chingford now still on London Liverpool Street. Nice. Passing through now with a C2C class 357 going from London Liverpool Street to Shoebury-Nest, which is 357-044. And 357-041. As also passing, we have an ECS from Chingford. I assume this has come from the sidings near Chingford.
No, it's just Chingford.
This will be a new set, I assume, with a nice depot whistle there. 710-118.
This is on an ATS movement from Chingford to London Street.
710-122. Yeah, 122.
Yeah, for some reason, the not in surface is more like options than everything instead of the center.
It should be in the centre.
No.
Right, passing through now, we have 321432 coming in from Ipswich to London Liverpool Street. I've got a 321359 in the rear. Also, we have a 317 which is coming in from.
Now my power bank's definitely died.
317 coming in from Cambridge. This is 317-654.
So the next train. Can I use your power bank?
Yeah, sure.
Where is it?
It's just charging my camera at the moment. 317-510.
I need it. Power bank just died on me.
Right, I can film videos again.
Passing through now, we have a TfL Rail Class 345 going from Chingford to London Liverpool Street. This is 345, 003. As well as we have another 345, which is 345012 bound for Chingford, and we have a Greater Anglia Class 745, which is bound for Stansted Airport, which is just about to pass us. Looking lovely there.
Yeah, now finally all of us have been understand this, thanks.
Right, passing through now, we have a Greater Anglia Class 317 going up to Hertford East. This is 317 881. With it, 317 505. As also we have a Greater Anglia Class 321 going from...
We have a 321 and a 357.
Yes, both. One going to Southend Victoria, and the 357 is going to Shoebury. 321 310? Yep. As well as 321 346. And the C2C is 357 038 and 357 033 going to Shoebury from London Liverpool Street. Passing through again is the one and only 315, which is going I believe from Chingford to London Liverpool Street. Just adjusting my microphone. Oh, we could get this one. Should we get, yeah, let's get the 315. Let's get the 315. That's where I'm going to end that video. Thank you very much for watching at Bethnal Green Part 1. Part 1 will be published very shortly, and I'll see you
and I'll see you in the next video.
in the next
video has
video.
been joined by JP RailwayPhotography 2020 and CSM.